বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন। ভুটান থেকেও প্রতিনিধি এসেছেন, ভুটানের মন্ত্রী।
Your Excellency, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Excellencies, distinguished leaders and dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, Namaste and Kuzuzangbola. It is both an honor and a homecoming to stand before you today, representing the deep and time-honored friendship between Bhutan and India. But more than just diplomacy, today I feel at home for three personal reasons. First, under the visionary leadership of our beloved kings, Bhutan and India share an unwavering bond, one rooted in trust, cooperation and shared prosperity. This relationship, built over decades, has made India a second home for every Bhutanese. Second, Bhutan and West Bengal are not just neighbors sharing a 183-kilometer border. We are cultural siblings, bound by history, traditions, and a spiritual connection that transcends boundaries. And third, a more personal reason. My mother was born in 1955, as the same year as Her Excellency, the Chief Minister. And so, as a son, how could I not feel at home in presence of such a remarkable motherly figure? Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of His Majesty the King, His Majesty the Fourth King, and my Honorable Prime Minister, I bring you the warmest greetings from Bhutan and the deepest appreciation from our government and private sector. This summit is a testament to West Bengal's indomitable spirit of enterprise, innovation, and collaboration, an ethos that resonates deeply with Bhutan. Honorable Chief Minister, your humility, simplicity, and steadfast commitment to nurturing Bhutan and West Bengal ties have touched the hearts of every Bhutanese. Mamata Didi is a household name in Bhutan, a reflection of the warmth and admiration our people feel for you and the people of Bengal. Under your leadership, West Bengal has emerged as a beacon of progress, not just for India, but for the entire region. Your bold vision is shaping the future where growth and cultural vibrancy go hand in hand. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bengal Global Business Summit has over the years positioned West Bengal as a global investment hub, attracting transformative investment in manufacturing, technology, infrastructure, healthcare, and renewable energy. For Bhutan, this summit is an opportunity to further deepen our collaboration and identify strategic areas where our shared aspirations align. There are several key areas where we can forge even stronger partnership. Number one, tourism. Bhutan and West Bengal share a deep appreciation for cultural heritage and natural beauty. We invite investors to explore opportunities in wellness tourism, high-end eco-luxury accommodations, and sustainable tourism ventures. With Bhutan's focus on high impact and immense potential in working together to create unique travel experiences. Number two, connectivity. As a landlocked country, Bhutan's economic growth depends on robust connectivity to regional and international markets. West Bengal serves as a vital trade and transit gateway for Bhutan, with ports and transport corridors that enable our businesses to flourish. The ongoing work on rail link between Banarhat in Jalpaiguri and Samchi in Bhutan will be a game changer, strengthening trade, investment, and more importantly, the people-to-people connection. Third, agriculture and agro-processing. Bhutan's organic farming practices align perfectly with West Bengal's agro-processing expertise. Venture production can boost food security, enhance value chains, and uplift rural economies in both regions. Bhutan's diverse agroclimatic zones provide fertile ground for premium organic products, which, with the right technology and investment, can reach global market. Fourth, the renewable energy. Bhutan is blessed with hydropower, solar, wind and geothermal potential, making it a natural leader in South Asia's clean energy transition. With our strong conservation policies and investor-friendly environment, we welcome green energy partnership that can harness Bhutan's renewable resources for regional sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me take you to a near futuristic world, a vision that redefines how we think about cities and development. Imagine building a city, not just any city, but one that fully embodies the principles of gross national happiness. Would we design it to be solely driven by market forces, or would we prioritize the well-being and happiness of its people? Would we fill it with skyscrapers, or would we create a harmonious, nature-aligned urban landscape? Would we ensure that it not only preserves but guarantees the protection of its biodiversity for generations to come? This is the vision of Gyaliphu Mindfulness City, a first-of-its-kind economic hub where sustainability, well-being, and innovations coexist. This city will be a carbon negative, setting a new global standard in terms of environmental stewardship, a model of sustainable urban living, integrating modern infrastructure with Bhutanese culture and spirituality. An innovation hub where technology, research and sustainability converged to shape industries of the future. Gyaliphu Mindfulness City is not just a project. It is a journey of imagination, of hope, and of gross national happiness redefined for 21st century. I invite you all, visionaries, investors, and change makers, to be part of this extraordinary transformative journey. Come and invest in mindfulness, sustainability, and the future of responsible economic growth. Ladies and gentlemen, as I stand here among leaders and entrepreneurs and visionaries shaping the future of South Asia, I am filled with optimism. Bhutan and West Bengal are bound by history, but more importantly, we are bound by shared future of prosperity and progress. Let us use this platform to build bridges, foster innovation, and create a legacy of sustainable growth. With these words, I extend my best wishes for the success of Bengal Global Business Summit 2025. And I'd also like to once again offer our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister for the kind invitation. Thank you so much. And thank you, Dhanyavad and Tashidilek.
ভুটান এবং পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মধ্যে সাংস্কৃতিক ঐতিহ্যের বন্ধন রয়েছে এবং সেই সাংস্কৃতিক ঐতিহ্য দিয়ে পর্যটনে আরো এগিয়ে যেতে পারে পশ্চিমবঙ্গ এবং ভুটান, এই আশাই রাখলেন সে দেশের মন্ত্রী। মঞ্চে মুকেশ আম্বানি, সঞ্জীব গোয়েঙ্কা সহ দেশ বিদেশের তাবড় শিল্পপতিরা উপস্থিত আজকের এই বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলনের প্রথম দিনে।